On today's workshop, we're going to be going over the new Jeep Kit Level 1, and we're going to unbox everything so you know exactly what comes in each box. Our Jeep Level 1 kit was designed specifically for the Jeep enthusiast. It is an easy application, of course, if you know how to do installs. If not, visit one of our dealers and they can get you taken care of. This kit was designed for a plug and play application. When it comes to an OEM application, you will need an additional harness from either PAC or Metra to integrate it, or if you already have an aftermarket radio, it'll plug right in. When it comes to your new Jeep kit, the Level 1, first thing you're going to get and notice in the box is a pair of new pods for your front stage. That's going to fit your components, your zero components, for an easy application and a clean look. You're also going to get the hardwire necessary to have everything plug in to the OEM connections to where you don't have to worry about cutting anything or making anything extra. In your Level 1 kit, you're going to have an interior package wire kit that's going to come with your power and ground wire for the first amp that comes in your Level 1, your main harnesses that will plug into the amplifiers, RCA application. So if you already have an aftermarket radio, you're good to go. If not, don't worry. There is OEM integration solutions you can get from either Metra or PAC themselves. You're also going to get a level control that goes in the center console area by your shifter for your subwoofer. When you get the Level 2 kit, there's a spot already here for your towers to have that at your fingertips. You're going to get a mounting plate that's going to come for the under the hood. That way you can mount your distro block that you're going to get. This will allow you to wire up both amplifiers without having to add another fuse block. In your Level 1 Jeep kit, you're going to get a rear kit for the soundbar in the Jeep. You're going to get a trim panel that you can mount in the OEM location that will allow you to cut out the 6x9 opening. That way you'll be able to fit your 6x9. You're not going to need to utilize the grill because it's already going to come with a style that's suitable for your Jeep. With your Level 1 Jeep kit, you're going to get a 6-channel SynDX DSP amplifier that's already adjusted and tuned for what you're putting in your Jeep. No need to mess with anything. You just plug it in, mount it to your amp rack that's provided in the Level 1 kit. It has a spot for the secondary amp whenever the time comes for that, and you're good to go. With your Level 1 Jeep kit, you're going to be getting this nice beefy enclosure for 212s, and you're going to get a pair of 012s to go inside the enclosure. When it comes to mounting, if you notice in the back of our subwoofers, we have a mounting location. Same in the enclosure is a pass-through. That way you can apply the bolt to lock it in and keep it secure. This is also going to get mounted to your amp rack and on a set of struts. That way whenever you're lifting and putting it down, it's going to be eased without any effort whatsoever. Once you get your sub secured and the bolt locked in, it comes with rubber grommets that cover it. That way you don't have to see the hardware. Well, there you go. You have all the info when it comes to our Level 1 Jeep kit. For more information, visit our website at wetsounds.com.